Magandang araw, Tondonians! Ako si Andrew Solibes Himlakyan, ang inyong guro para sa Empowerment Technology at pwede niyong tawagin Ma'am Ann for short. Okay. Bago tayo magsimula sa ating lesson ngayong araw, familiar ba sa inyo ang dalawang larawan sa inyong harapan? Tama! Ito ang Mega 4-4 sale na naganap ng Shopee at Lazada. So, last time, nagkaroon sila ng malakihang sale, no, para i-commemorate ang birthday ng Lazada at, well, gusto ng competition ng Shopee. Now, naisip nyo ba kung paano naging posible ang pagbili ng mga bagay mula sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo sa pamamagitan lamang ng inyong cellphone at ng internet connection? Ito ay isa sa mga bagay na maaari nating sagutin sa ating lecture sa araw na ito. Bago tayo magsimula, tingnan muna natin kung ano ang ating aasahan sa araw na ito. Introduction to Information and Communication Technologies. This lesson is designed to help you learn the concepts of information and communication technologies, its current state and online systems, functions, and platforms. As you continue learning in this lesson, you will realize that digital tools give you an idea of a wide range possibility to discover, disclose, connect, and co-create in this technological world that we live in. So, ayun ang promise ngayong araw na to, no? Pero bago tayo lumalim, bigyan muna natin ng kahulugan kung ano nga ba ang ICT. ICT, or Information Communication Technologies, deals with the use of different communication technologies, such as mobile phones, cell phones, internet, to locate, save, send, and edit information. So dito pa lamang sa ating definition, makikita na natin kung ano-ano yung mga tools at yung mga functions na dapat niyang gampanan. Ano nga ba ang kalagayan ng ICT sa Pilipinas? Several international companies dub the Philippines as the ICT hub of Asia because of the huge growth of ICT-related jobs, one of which is the rise of business processing or process outsourcing or the BPO industries. So ito yung mga call center agents or mga call center industry. Okay? According to the 2013 edition of Measuring Information Society by the International Telecommunication Union, there are 106.8 cell phones per 100 Filipinos in the year of 2012. Imagine, no? Marami masyado yung cellphone natin dito sa Pilipinas. Ang sabi niya, sa bawat isang Pilipino, kung susundin natin yung measurement na ito, maaaring may isa o mas marami pang cellphone ang hawak ng bawat pamilya o bawat Pilipino. At siguro, yung measure nila ay yung mga highly urbanized areas. Isa pa, in the data gathered by the annual survey of Philippine Business and Industries, NSO, in 2010, the ICT industries shares 19.3% of the total employment population here in the Philippines. Ganun kalaki yung employment rate. Okay? However, it poses problems. Like this data that we've gathered from the website of Tesla. Sabi dito, the Philippines still pales in comparison to other nations in terms of personal computer or PC's penetration index. Bakit ba importante ang pagkakaroon ng personal computer dito sa atin, no, sa Pilipinas? In this ICT age, personal computers are very vital in studying, of course, and in the utilization of ICT. And it's very ironic because Philippines is one of the top exporters of electronics, including microprocessors. That's why parang malaking issue. Bakit tayo tagagawa, no, ng microprocessor pero kokounti yung merong internet kokounti yung merong PC o personal computer. Sa ngayon nga, ilan lang ba ang mayroong personal computer sa inyo? So, karamihan sa mga estudyante, gumagamit pa rin ng tablet o di kaya ng cellphone para lamang makinig o manood ng mga video lessons. Katulad nito. Okay? Records from the NTC also cited only around 50% of the total municipalities in the Philippines has internet access. Internet cafes was also placed at a more than 3,000 but are mostly situated in highly urbanized areas of the country. Imagine, hindi pa lahat ay mayroong internet access. Pero tayong lahat ay mayroong tinatawag na um, online education, no? So, yung iba ay nasa modular, yung iba naman online. Pero marami ang pumipili ng online. So, kukunti pa lamang pala ang mayroong internet access. At maswerte ang mga Manileños na meron tayo, no? Pero hindi lahat ng parte ng Maynila ay may malinaw na signal. Hindi din lahat ay mayroong kakayahan na makapag-bayad ng magandang internet connection. Okay? Ano pa? In order to allow more people greater access to computers, adequate infrastructure, especially electricity and telecommunications facilities are vital. Data from the National Electrification Administration showed that only 80% of the Philippine barangays are energized. Western and Central Mindanao, as well as ARMM, are areas where supply of electricity is still wanting. Ibig sabihin, paano tayo magkakaroon ng wide internet connection at full capacity of ICT kung marami pa pala ang hindi pa nagkakaroon ng kuryente? Nabanggit sa datos o sa huling datos na piniresenta na 80% pa lang ang mayroong kuryente sa buong Pilipinas. So, yung 20% mostly ay nasa Mindanao area at ARMM region. Hindi pa naaabot ng access ng kuryente. What more, the internet. And of course, the computers. So, paano ka magkakaroon ng ganong access kung wala ka pa nung basic, nung very basic, which is kuryente. Okay, let's go now to mobile technologies. Since we are already in this age wherein we are in the mobile technologies, we are using smartphones and tablets. So, this one is the recent example, no? Yung tablet ni Mayor Isko. This is largely because of the device's capability to do tasks that were originally found in PCs. Several of these devices are capable of using high-speed internet. Today, the latest model devices uses 4G networking LTE, which is currently the fastest. So, most of our cell phones, our smartphones, and tablets use 4G na. Okay? Different operating systems used by mobile devices. iOS, which is used in Apple devices such as iPhone and iPad. Android, an open source of OS developed by Google. Being open source means mobile phone companies use this OS for free. So, hindi siya exclusive. Unlike Apple, yung iOS, sila lang yung pwedeng gumamit. Apple to Apple lang. Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi siya pwedeng mag-Bluetooth to other phones unless it is an Apple, no? But Android, they can share data using their Bluetooth or infrared. You're using infrared pa rin naman. By their Android system, no? Parang generic kasi yung Android. For BlackBerry, they're using BlackBerry OS. Windows Phone OS, it is a closed source of proprietary operating system developed by Microsoft. So Microsoft din to. Symbian, the original smartphone OS used by Nokia devices. And Web OS, originally used in smartphones, now in smart TVs. So, makikita na natin yung Web OS sa ating mga TVs. And of course, we have Windows Mobile. This is developed by Microsoft for smartphones and pocket PCs. Mobile devices can communicate through the following communication technologies: wireless fidelity, or what we call the Wi-Fi type of wireless local area network technology. We also have Bluetooth that uses pocket-based transmission over short-range radio signals. We also have Generation G, fourth generation G, Global System for Mobile Communication, or GSM, and General Packet Radio Service, or GPRS. Data services, or data networking services for mobile phones. Dial-up services, or the data networking services using modems and telephone lines. Lastly, we also have the VPN, or the Virtual Private Network. This is a secure access to private network. What are the emergent technologies this recent times? No, we have the artificial intelligence. This is a branch of computer science focused with making computer work and act like humans. Robotics, which is also a field of computer science and engineering concerned with creating devices that can move and react to sensory input. It is a form of artificial intelligence. So, ayan yung example ng ating artificial intelligence and robotics. Artificial intelligence, branch siya ng computer science. But when you apply it and you put it into practice, we will put it in robotics, no? So, yung artificial intelligence, siya yung utak. And then yung robotics, yun yung international, mechanical part of the artificial intelligence, no? Because it can move through sensory input. Okay? So we also have biometrics, which is used to measure and analyze human body characteristics such as DNA, fingerprints, eye retinas, and irises, voice patterns, facial patterns, and hand movements. Yan yung biometrics. So, meron din tayo niyan sa cellphone, no? Kung yung mga modern phone, yung nilalagay niyo sa likod or dito sa gilid para mag-open yung password ng phone ninyo. So, that is also one type of biometrics in its simplest form. We also use biometrics, of course, for security measures. So, the authorized personnel could only access the information or sometimes the place that is of confidentiality, no? Another emergent technology is the quantum cryptography. It is a science of encoding and decoding information or messages which depends on physics, not mathematics, used for information privacy and security. Computer Assisted Translation, or CAT, which is used for computers to assist and of the translation or of one or more natural languages into another or others, and vice versa. So, ito yung ginagamit natin for translations. Most of the time, ginagamit to sa United Nations since kailangan automatic yung translations niya dun sa headset. So, kung mapapanood niyo yung mga meeting ng United Nations, most of the world leaders have their own headset para magamit or ginagamit yung CAT para mabilis nilang naiintindihan yung speaker. Okay, so ayan yun. 3D imaging and holography is a photographic technique that uses light into project objects in a way that appears three-dimensional. Virtual reality, on the other hand, is a computer-generated environment that can be explored and interacted by the person. So this one is the holograph, and this one is the virtual reality. So most of the time, virtual reality is popularly used in games. Holographs, on the other hand, are used on TV shows. Makikita natin siya sa mga sci-fi. And most importantly, makikita mo siya sa news, no? Makikita mo si Maring Mel na binabaha. And ginagamit din siya to project, no, images that are vital para mas visualize nung mga um, planners or stakeholders yung kanilang plano. Okay? Online system, functions, and platforms. So, let's define platforms first. Platforms as a group of technologies that are used as a base upon which other applications, processes, or technologies are developed. So, ito yung mga platforms. Ano ba yung mga ginagamit? Common online platform. First, of course, is the most popular, which is the social media platform. This is a platform which allows development, deployment, and management of social media solutions and services. So, ayan. So, may Pinterest, Twitter, yung pinaka-paborito nyo na Facebook, Instagram, at yung, syempre, yung TikTok. Alam na alam nyo yan. Social media. This is a website application or online channel that enables web users to create, co-create, discuss, modify, and exchange user-generated content. So, ayan, yun yung mga uso ngayon na social media platforms. There are 6 types of social media. First is the social media networks. These are the sites that allows you to connect with other people at the same time, with the same interest or background. Once the user creates his or her account, he or she can set up a profile, add people, share content, etc. No? Bookmarking sites. When we say bookmarking sites, these are the sites that allow you to store, manage links to various websites and resources. Most of the sites allow you to create and tag others. So, kapag ginagamit natin, most common is the Pinterest. So, when you look into the Pinterest account, hindi katulad yan ng social networks ng Facebook at ng Instagram. Pwede kayo dyang mag-save ng mga images according to the theme that you like. So, for example, you search summer. So, yung mga images na related sa summer, lalabas siya. And then you can save it. And then you can tag others, no? So, when you're looking for themes, DIYs, pwede nyo gamitin si Pinterest. So, social news. Yan. So, nasa ikatlo na tayo. These are the examples of social news. We use News TV, Philippine Star, Rappler, any other social news platforms. These sites allow the users to post their own news, items, or links to the other sources. These users can also comment on the post, and comments may also be ranked. So, yan. Sa Philippines, ayan yung pinaka-popular na news site. We also have media sharing. Sites that allow you to upload and share media content like images, music, and videos. So, yun naman yung major post ng YouTube and Instagram. We also use microblogging. This focuses on short updates from the user. Those that subscribe to the user will be able to receive these updates. So, pwede tayo sa Facebook, via, di ba, pag nag-stats tayo sa Twitter, and of course, sa TikTok. So, meron tayo dyang mga microblogging. Okay? Ano ba nangyayari sa buhay mo? Yun yung microblogging. Pero very, very short lang. Unlike sa YouTube, it can run up to 1 hour, no? But, or more. But in Facebook, there is only an allowed time frame for that. And then, of course, in Twitter, ilang words, ilang yung pwede mong i-share. Sa TikTok naman, no, meron lang certain seconds. I think 90 seconds is the most, no, for TikTok. Okay. Blogs or forums. For blogs and forums, we use Tumblr and WordPress. These forums allow their user to post their content. Other users are able to comment on the said topic. So, ito yung mas mahahaba na. Okay? Next is common online platforms. Another one is what we call the e-commerce platform. So, very common yung Shopee and Lazada. Yan. This is a collection of software technology that allows merchants to create a storefront on internet. So, yan yung dalawa sa pinaka-popular na e-commerce platform. We have other platforms such as the Carousel, Alibaba, Lamudi, so Zalora, yan. Shine, yan yung mga pangtinda o no, yung pangkalakal na platform. Facebook also have this Facebook Marketplace wherein we exchange goods, no? So naka-allow na rin yan sa iba pang social media sites. Another common online platform is the online learning platform, which we are using right now. So these are the interactive online services that provides the teachers, learners, parents, and other involved in the education sector with a wide range of tools and resources to support, enhance the delivery and management of education through internet. So through this, it is possible to learn online, no? Sana all nakakapag Google Meet, Zoom, or MS Teams, no? Katulad nga nung nabanggit ko kanina, there are certain areas in some part of the Philippines wherein wala yung pinaka-basic, which is kuryente. No, not everybody can afford this platform, so online learning platforms. No, so be thankful that you are here and make most out of it. Another common online platform is online video platform. This is a service providing end-to-end tools used to create, customize, publish, and manage videos online. So these are the common online video platforms. Assistive media, on the other hand, is a non-profit service designed to help people who are visual and reading impairments. A database of audio recordings is used to read the user. So, ayan yung assistive media. So, ginagamit yan ng ating mga PWDs. Okay? Now, with everything that you've learned, you have to answer this question. Okay? This would be uploaded on your Google Classroom later. In what way is the ICT very useful in your studies? Paano ba kayo natutulungan ng ICT sa inyong pag-aaral? Let me know on your Google Classroom. I will be posting it as your assignment for our asynchronous class later. So, for this lesson, I would like to have a feedback. If you understand the lesson, please use this icon. If you learned something new today, please use the like icon. And if you did not learn anything today, you may use the sand icon. Okay? That's it for today. Thank you very much. And please, if you have any questions, wag mahiyang magtanong, no? You may send me your personal message on my Facebook account. Okay? Thank you. That's it. Bye-bye for now.